Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope you are all on the same page. On this very crucial, very important multitasking one side, and also I must get the civil justice right in front of the entire human kingdom, right in front of the entire nations. Okay, so with that said, I will quickly read through the civil justice sign up so that we all can be on the same page, and I must get the civil justice according to the Holy Bible civil law guidelines only. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. The scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide, Republica at fault found guilty prostitutes, United States of America, FCC Telecommunications of USA government with fatal negligence created robocall $1 trillion tax revenue agency division of USA, and then they created the $1 trillion robocall poverty mandate worldwide, and it is the deadliest crime of fatal negligence of USA FCC Telecommunications to create enforce poverty for mankind worldwide in 193 nations, and failed in guard of USA job is another $1 trillion crime, and it comes under the domestic violence of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation or injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, trespass to chattels and types. Then I, Vedapriya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off, prostitute at fault found guilty, USA FCC telecommunications, USA government created, robocall poverty mandate, $1 trillion tax revenue service providers of USA with fatal negligence, created the deadliest robocall poverty mandate, and with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created the robocall poverty mandate is proved. And it's also mandated to I, Vedapriya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 is enforced to I, Vedapriya Pro se abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, to I, Vedapriya Pro se, and also finance disabled to I, Vedapriya Pro se abruptly. It is crime for Republica prostitute at fault found guilty, USA FCC telecommunications, USA government created robocall poverty mandate, $1 trillion tax revenue service providers of USA with fatal negligence created deadliest robocall poverty mandate is proved. And when ruling USA, they never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Pro se. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Pro se, want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus and sign $10,000 plus dollars and sign off $5,000, and USA Republica prostitute, USA FCC telecommunications, USA government created robocall poverty mandate, $1 trillion tax revenue service providers of USA with fatal negligence created deadliest robocall poverty mandate, and must sign tax free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited to my bank account, and all types of damages done by selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs, types well, wild endangered species, and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide the needful assistance to be in the same page. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.